Hare Krishna. So welcome all of you. Today, many newcomers have come. I probably, because it is a Ganesh Chaturthi period, it is Lord Ganesha who was chosen amongst all the devatas as the stenographer of Veda Vyasa 5000 years ago. Before that, the Vedas were coming down only by word of mouth from one guru to another. Therefore, it is called a Shabda Praman. But 5000 years ago, the age called Kali Yuga started, in which we all are living now. So in this age, people have very short memories. Even they can't remember a mobile number, they have to note down. Such short memories we have. So therefore, Vedavyas called for the demigods and said, is there anyone who can help me put down all the Vedas in writing? But I will go on dictating, but you should never stop writing down. If you stop, you will be rejected. And also you should not commit any mistakes. So the best person chosen was Ganesh for this. So in those Vedic literatures, it is said, Krite yadhyayato vishnum tretayam yajato makhai dvapare paricharyayam kalau tad harikirtanat. In the age of Satya Yuga, Dhruva Maharaj performed penance in the forest, which is called as Dhyana Yoga. In the age of Treta Yuga, all the great devotees of God performed yajna, or fire sacrifices. In the age of Dwapara Yuga, very big temples were built, and all day there was gorgeous worship of the Murti of the Lord, and Laksharchana and Puja all day. But in the age of Kali Yuga, people not only have short lives, people are super busy, and life is only 100 years. In those years, Satya Yuga people lived 100,000 years, Treta Yuga 10,000 years, Dwapara Yuga 1,000 years, and Kali Yuga not even 100, less than 100. So in this short life, with little memory, with feeble knowledge of the scriptures, how can one go beyond this world of samsara sagara and go to the Vaikuntha? How can we attain? This question was asked by Narada to his father Brahma. And Brahma said, there is a very easy way. And if one has the faith in this process, you do this one method alone, you can go back to Vaikuntha, he said. And that is where he told this in the Kali Sandaran Upanishad. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Iti Shodasakam Nam Kalikal Mashanashanam Nato Partarupaya Sarva Vedeshu Drishyate. In all the Vedas, there is no other superior method prescribed than this method, which is the chanting of the Hare Krishna mantra. So therefore you find all the devotees having a japamala. They chant in a mala, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. In every morning they chant one mantra. And by chanting this mantra regularly, very easily, the mirror of the heart, which is covered by dust of Kama, Krodha, Lobha, can be cleansed very easily. And we can become pure at heart. With a pure heart and devotion to Lord Krishna, by this very easily we can attain Vaikuntha. That's what Brahma said. So, 500 years ago, the same Lord Krishna appeared as Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and personally danced and sang all over the country, India, to different places. And he taught this chanting of Hare Krishna by two ways. One is you can dance and sing like the way we were doing, or you can sit down and do japam, nama japam. And amongst his followers, there was one very great follower who was born in a Muslim family. His name is Haridas Thakur. Right from childhood, he had a great devotion to Lord Krishna. And then he met Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he used to chant 3 lakh names in Pune, in Mumbai, and other places, Mayapur, Vrindavan, and all. Many devotees are chanting today 3 lakh names. Some are chanting 2 lakh names. In Pune, we even announced next day morning the devotees who have completed 2 lakh names, which means 128 rounds. Some chant even 192 rounds also. Some chant 64 today. Many chant, hundreds of devotees chant 64 today. Because Haridas Thakur passed away today, and he was called as Namacharya, who used to sit in Siddha Bakul in Jagannath Puri, and always chant the holy name, and he generated such pure vibrations that permeated the whole world and benefited millions of living beings. This is Haridas Thakur. So although he was born in a Muslim family, he became a pure devotee of Krishna and a follower of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So this chanting process has not only created great transformation many hundreds of years ago, but even recently, Srila Prabhupada went to America and just 50 years ago, he made the degraded hippies who were into drugs and smoking and drinking and everything, he made them all cleansed by this one habit of chanting Hare Krishna. So many of you have come for the first time today. Please kindly take the mala and sit in a circle and learn this chanting. It takes only 10 minutes for you. Learn this chanting, and it can be a good practice which you can add to your day in the morning time. And like today you have come, you are always welcome again and again to our temple. Every morning it's like a Diwali here, festival. We are chanting and dancing. You are most welcome to join us. Harinam Prabhu ki. Let's offer our humble obeisances and to all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord who are just like desert trees or ocean of mercy, full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha ananta koti vaishnava vrindaki Vaishnava Thakur Srila Prabhupada ki Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki